Hello. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I really appreciate it. Today, I'm very excited to release something. It is the NFT project that I've been working on for the past 6 months with my partner of Mycelial Gallery, Ben, and we're going to be going into all of the details of this project in this video. And we're also going to be going over how to buy and sell NFTs on Cardano in general. We're going to be explaining the importance of NFTs. We're also going to be explaining why I think NFTs are going to be one of the use cases, that will bring Cardano to the mainstream. So I do think this is an important video. So if you guys do enjoy it, please click that like button and please comment down below. I would really appreciate it. And to kick things off, we're also going to be giving away 5 NFTs, but they're going to be real life portraits, right? So behind me, you can see the one of Ada Lovelace, and you can also see another one up there of Cardano. Well, there are actually 5 more of our portraits to be given away, and these are going to be real life portraits, and we'll ship these to anybody in Europe or anybody in the United States. Past that, we can talk. You may just get some Bitcoin instead. But let's jump into the video. I'm very excited to introduce my project today, and I'm very excited to talk about how important NFTs are for Cardano. To start, what is an NFT? Well, an NFT is a non-fungible token, and it's just a token that sits in your Daedalus or your Yoroi wallet or any other wallet you use, just as another token would. In Cardano and your Yoroi or Daedalus, you probably have ADA in there, but when you add an NFT to your wallet, it actually shows in your wallet the other NFT that you have, the other token that you have in your wallet. And that NFT represents something on the blockchain. And what it represents is the metadata that was written when that token was created. And that metadata holds an image in it. And the image is the NFT that I'm selling. But to speak a little bit more why this is so important for Cardano, and honestly why I'm jumping into the NFT space, is because I think that NFTs are what will bring the bulk of the users in the future to cryptocurrency. And I think that's going to be done through gaming. And this is what we would like to do in the future. The gallery that we've created is Mycelial Gallery. And this is because we're going to release, multiple NFT projects over time. And every single one of them is going to be just like this one. Very clean, very aesthetically pleasing and done right. We're not going to be releasing them often. We're not going to be able to give you a date on the next one. This one took us 6 months, which is a pretty long time for most NFT projects, right? So, using gaming, I think gaming and NFTs combined with the Cardano blockchain is going to bring, a large amount of users in the next 5 years to Cardano, right? So, our thinking is, my partner, Ben, he's been in the community for years. He's done artwork for IOG. He's done artwork for Emergo and the Cardano Foundation. And he actually reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to work on this together? And immediately, because I've been interested in his art for so long, I was like, let's do it. So, we came at this and we had a lot of ideas. He's the creative type, and I tend to lean on the idea side as well. So oftentimes we were getting very grandiose. And honestly, that grandiose vision that we had is what the Pioneer Collection is. So there's 7 different artworks, total. But for each artwork, there's actually 4 different tiers. And the 4 different tiers is no frame, and that's the print version. And then we have the black frame, then we have the silver frame, and then we have the gold frame. But what is very unique about this project, and what reminds me, of video games or collectibles, is if you collect all 7 of the same type of card, then you can burn all 7 of those and get an 8th card in return. So you lose the original 7, but you get an 8th card that you can only get from burning your 7 cards, right? So, besides the artwork being awesome, we're also really just excited to bring more people into the NFT space. We're also really excited to show people, how to use their Cardano wallet, how to interact with NFTs, because I think, NFTs are going to have, a big part of, the future of, digital things, of digital items, whether it be through games or, community tokens. And this is, for many people, going to be their first introduction to these digital tokens. So I think there's no really better way to show you, what NFTs are, how to purchase NFTs other than just doing it. in my opinion. So this is our main site. This is mycelialgallery.io. It'll be the first link actually down in the description below. And as you can see here, this is our first release, the Pioneer Collection. And all of the details that you guys need for this drop are all on this main site right here. You know, you can scroll down. We actually have a VR gallery you can take a walk through, you know, and you can do that either on your computer or with actual VR, which is very cool. And as you can see, collect all 7 pieces. But a lot of people, you know, in the NFT community are very, you know, interested in the total number of each of the drops. So that's where you get that right here is through the Pioneer NFT series. And then you can scroll down and you can see all of them. And these are the 7. We have Cardano, Ada Lovelace, Shelley, Basho, Byron, Voltaire, and Gauguin. You know, both my partner project, we're both very interested in Cardano. So we wanted to do something that had a Cardano theme to it. You know, it was very important for us because we feel as if we're in a very integral time in Cardano, you know, with Gauguin coming and Shelley went well, that, you know, we really wanted to just pay respects, you know, to Cardano. And also, if you collect all 7 of these, you do get an 8th card, you know. So what is that 8th card? We haven't announced it yet, and we are excited to announce it, but we're not going to do that in this video today. And then here you can see the 4 different frames. And then as we scroll down a little further, you can see the pricing. And then so before I go into the pricing, I wanted to say, you know, I wanted to make this a general video on how to purchase a Cardano NFT. So the way NFTs work is they're like drops. You know, if I know people that have bought in like Yeezys in the past and they only sell so many, but once they're sold out, you actually have to go to a secondary market. It's the same thing for NFTs. You know, another good project that I like is SpaceBuds. And SpaceBuds sold out in 3 days. And past that, you know, if you wanted any of these NFTs, you had to go on a secondary party market. And I'm going to be giving you guys links down below. The first one is going to be my Discord server. Another one is actually going to be a website that you can buy and sell Cardano NFTs. It's called CNFT, so big shout out to them. But those are the 2 places that I would use to trade your NFTs. So to recap, you know, first and foremost, if you want an NFT, go to their main website and see if there's still some available. Second, if there's not still some available, then you can go to the Discord server to, you know, either trade them back and forth, or you can go to that website, CNFT. But my Discord server, we're in there to help anyone that has any questions, and we're also willing to facilitate the trading back and forth there if you guys are interested in that. And the Discord server will be the second link down below, and the CNFT community will be the 3rd link down below. So let's go into the pricing. The pricing structure. So for the first 8,500, they're 20 ADA. The second 8,500, they're going to be 30 ADA. And then the last batch is going to be 40 ADA. And the last batch is actually only 8,000. So, you know, where did we come to these prices and these terms? Well, we actually wanted to, you know, create something for you guys that everyone could be able to participate in. You know, I'm not one to really want to spend more than 50 ADA on an NFT or even 100 ADA on an NFT. And because, you know, the most enjoyable part to me is actually, you know, purchasing them and getting the random roll to see what I get. Like, what is it going to be? What is it going to be? You know, it's hard to do that when they're 50 or 100 ADA a piece, right? Because then it starts to add up if you're getting, you know, 2 or to 5 of them. So we really wanted to choose, you know, a smaller amount but a higher supply so everybody could participate and everybody had the chance to, you know, to get a few if they so desired. So that's the pricing tier there. And remember this 25,000 count. You know, once we introduce a smart contract that actually adds the burning feature, you know, to burn the 8th card, you know, it's not going to be 25,000. And also, you know, if we don't sell all of them, let's say, you know, only 8,500 of them are sold, then that will be the capped amount, you know. And what's very cool is a lot of these cards are very rare. Like, for example, the one that I want the most is gold Cardano, and there's only 50, you know, gold Cardanos in existence out of 25,000, and there's only 80 Ada Lovelaces. So if you start to do the math here, you know, if people are burning these, you know, they're burning all 7 of these, and there's only 50 Cardanos, then that means that 8th card can only be there can only be 50 of them, and that's if everyone burns all of their Cardanos. So that's the game theory aspect that I'm really excited to introduce to you guys today. And we also have something very special and unique to this project, and it is that my partner, Ben, he actually knows motion design. And if you get the gold tier, the highest tier, the gold tier frame, they're actually animated. They're moving, so you're going to have in your wallet, a moving image. So let's go ahead and purchase some right now. This is definitely the best part. So I will actually show you guys some of those gold images, but let's hope we get one, because it's random, when they come out. And also the numbers are random. So some people have been shooting for like 001, gold Voltaire, or 001 gold Shelley. I've actually seen one person get one of the 001s. I think it was 001 Cardano, which is pretty crazy to me. So after you click the first link down below and you go to mycelialgallery.io, you just click the Buy Now button. And after you click the Buy Now button, it's going to take you to our buy page. And you can actually select the quantity that you want. And whatever quantity you select, as long as it's under 10 and at a minimum of 1, you can purchase it. So today, for this video, we're going to go ahead and purchase 3, and hopefully we can get, a good one. If not, maybe the luck people aren't with us today. So after you type in the amount you want, you click Let's Go. It's very important that you do not send this from an exchange. Daedalus, Yoroi, Adalite, CC Wallet, or Nami are all fine, but not from an exchange. So if you just click this right here, then you'll copy that address, and you can come over to your Yoroi or your Daedalus wallet. It'll show up in both of them, and then paste in the address, and then same thing for this one right here. Just click it. Do not try to type it in because a mistake can be made, but don't fret. If you send too much ADA or anything happens, your transaction doesn't go through, because, we are doing something that is very unique, and new, besides, some of the other people that have done it. But, if that were to happen, if you were to lose any funds, then we will auto refund the full amount that you lost, or you'll get the NFTs. And sometimes there will be a glitch where this will take 20 minutes, before you get your NFT. But rest assured, you'll either get your ADA back or your NFT back, and you have my word on that, right? It's me on the other side, so I'm not gonna take your ADA. So we can go ahead and type in that amount. Okay, so after you actually send that amount, you can come over here, and it will take some time for the blockchain to actually verify that you have sent that amount. And once it is received, it will show all of your NFTs right here on Mycelial Gallery. But you must, your next obvious question, especially if you're new to NFTs, is how do I actually see these NFTs in my wallet? And it's very simple how you do that. So we go to this awesome site here. I love pool.pm. Great addition to the Cardano ecosystem. You go to pool.pm. It's very simple. It's just pool.pm. Very simple. And once you're on the site, they have a few different pages. But you can actually click the little plus button over here, go down to token, and when you're in tokens, you can actually see the tokens that have been minted, and per block. So as we scroll down a little bit, look, you can see a black Basho here, and then if you would have gotten on here last night, you would have seen a lot. Look, someone just got a gold Basho, and also this is the perfect time to see the animation, for the gold Basho. So looks pretty awesome in my opinion. I like Basho, but Basho's definitely he's not one of my favorites. I like the color scheme. My favorites are definitely Ada and Lovelace. And then on top of the animated version for the gold tiers, we also put the high-res image as well in case you guys wanted to make prints out of them. And also, if you need anything from us, we'd be willing to help you out with your prints. So when we go back to the tokens page, how do we pull up my NFTs? We're seeing everyone's NFTs now. So what you actually do is you go to pool.pm / and then you type in your address. So you just paste it. You get an address from your Yoroi wallet where you bought the NFTs or where you have other NFTs, and you just paste that address in here at the end of pool.pm / your address. Once you type that in, it'll pull up every NFT that you have in your wallet. So I wonder if we can find another gold one right here while we wait. So I would love to show you guys one of the Gold ones. Well, I actually know somebody who's been getting a lot of them. What we can actually do is pull up all of their golds, because they've been getting a pretty large amount. So we'll be able to pull them all up. So look, same thing here, pool.pm / his address. And this guy's definitely been getting a lot of these golds here. So we'll look at one of the Lovelaces, one of my favorites. Beautiful, beautiful. And then remember, the golds here are the only ones that are animated, right? So we'll look at the Cardano as well. This is the Cardano. This is the rarest one, in the drop. And then, as always, you get the high-res image down there, and then it shows the attributes. So then if we go back to the main page, look, we got our 3 drops. So we got a black Cardano 111. I do like that number, the 111. I'd say that's a good drop. And then we got the Voltaire 1003, the Goguen 2296. So those are my 3 drops today. And that's how the process works. So these are automatically sent to your wallet. If there's any issues, it'll automatically be refunded the amount that you sent in. So don't worry. Don't fret at all for just that. Also, I want to say that, we are selling these as digital artwork. We're not selling them, for the intention of you earning a return on them. We're selling these as our cool art projects. So if you guys do want to support the project, you do like the artwork, then feel free to go down to that link down below. Also, if you did make it till the end of the video, I really appreciate it. We're going to be doing a giveaway on this video for the real prints. As just a thank you to you guys. We're going to be making these real prints, printing them ourselves, and shipping them out to you. So if you do want to participate in that giveaway, what you have to do is you have to comment Mycelial Gallery down below. Once you comment that down below, you have to like this video if you haven't already, and then you go to the Discord server. And the Discord server is where I, am chatting, I'm answering questions, and also trading is happening. So if you guys want to sell these on another market, if that's what you're interested in, then you can do that through the Discord server. So we have a nice little community over there. And what you do is it's going to be, the link down below. It's going to say discord.gg. It's going to be the second link. Once you click that, it's going to take you to my Discord server. You're going to have to fill out the CAPTCHA to make sure that you're not a robot. Once you fill out that CAPTCHA, you're in the Discord server. From there, you can actually go to Bloom Tokens-giveaway. Click that, and there's going to be, there might be a couple giveaways going on in there because we've been doing a lot lately. But we're going to be giving away these real prints, life-size, to 7 different people. And this giveaway is actually for 5 people because we've already done the giveaway for 2 tweets. And if you guys still want to enter those tweet giveaways, just find on our Mycelial Gallery Twitter, and you can participate in the other 2. The ones we've already done is Cardano and Lovelace. So to participate in that giveaway, you're going to have to retweet from Mycelial Gallery, our Twitter, to get for the entry for the rest of the 5. We're going to actually be doing that on this video, right? So let me know what you guys think. I'm really excited to introduce this to you today. It honestly feels amazing to introduce it, and I'm very excited. We've already sold in less than 24 hours. I want to say it's been 20 hours now. We've already sold over 3,000 of these NFTs. Which is incredible to me. I am in shock, and thank you guys so much for anyone who's purchased them or supported, our NFT collection. It really does mean the world. Nothing feels better than seeing all of these people in the Discord, posting what they got or saying, hey, this one's my favorite. Really the community here and the community that's building around this is what makes me, the most excited, and also the most rewarded is just the community engagement. So thank you guys so much. And I hope you get some good polls.